Chapter 5. Know about the keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that consists of small buttons called keys. It is an important part of the computer as it helps us to type letters, numbers, and many symbols. We see a variety of keys on the keyboard. So now we will discuss in detail about each of them. The first being the alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys which are not arranged in sequence. Also, we have number keys, that is from 0 to 9. They are lined above the alphabet keys and also to the right of the keyboard. There is a numeric keypad on the right side of the keyboard. It works only if the number lock key is on. So the alphabet keys help us to write letters, words, and sentences, and the numeric keys or the number keys help us to type numbers. Now we come to the special keys that are on the keyboard. The first one being the space bar. The space bar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to leave space between the words that are being typed on the monitor with the help of the keyboard. Then next is the backspace key. The backspace key is used to erase letters or numbers or anything one by one typed to the left of the cursor. Thirdly, we have the delete key. The delete key is used to erase letters or numbers typed to the right of the cursor. Next is a set of arrow keys. There are 4 arrow keys that help us to move the cursor up, down, left or right on the screen. These keys are also known as the cursor control keys. The up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. The down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. The left arrow key is used to move the cursor left. And the right arrow key is used to move the cursor right. It is as simple as that. Next is the enter key. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. A keyboard has 2 enter keys. The enter key is also called the return key. Still more keys. The shift key. The shift key is used along with other keys. There are 2 shift keys on the keyboard. Both of them have the same function. The shift key helps us to type the capital letters when the caps lock key is off. The key having 2 characters, upper character is typed with the shift key. For example, you have 2 characters mostly where symbol keys or number keys are. An example being the percentage symbol on the screen will come only if you press the shift key along with the number key 5 at the same time. Then we come to the caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type the letters in capital letters. as the word suggests. When the caps lock key is on, all the letters that are typed appear in capital letters on the monitor. Now we come to the symbol keys. The keys which are marked with different symbols are called symbol keys. But these are mostly used with the help of the shift key. When we press a symbol key, we need to press the shift key along with each symbol key, because most of our symbol keys appear with the number keys. Many of them appear, there are many symbols that appear together. So these symbol keys are mostly used along with the shift key. Next is the number lock key. If we want to use the numeric pad that is present on the right side of the keyboard, then we have to press the number lock key on. Only then we will be able to use the numeric keypad. So when we start using the number lock key and it is on, a green light indicating that the number lock keys are on and you can use the numeric keypad. Next is the home key. Home key moves the cursor to the start of the line. The end key moves the cursor to the end of the line. Then we have page up and page down. As the words suggest, page up and page down allows you to move up and down a page.